can't get anybody who is idle. People who took deliberate steps, today they are the leading. They are refusing completely to be called a developed country. They are developing. And those people, I can tell you, Engoro, a tunnel, a train, nani yule Murachi, ilikuwa inaenda kwa speed gani? 350 per kilometer per hour. Inapita ndani ya tunnel for 30 minutes. Oh, Simba, nechomba chete wakana, chisese. Actually, can I tell you, my deputy said, if it's the case, if it's the dogs those people ate and they transform their country, we can even eat all the dogs. We must change our mindset. We must stop to trivialize development. We cannot afford to fight, to quarrel, to squabble for 5 good years. We must put a stop. It's a deliberate effort that we must put in place. We did not ask them, a police officer on the road, because people, they are disciplined. I can tell you, one of the members, and forgive me this for saying all these things, that one of my members alisahau kulipa taxi. I can tell you within 15 minutes, he had been picked from his room by the police because of the system. Wakamwambia lipa. Oh, I didn't know how to pay, because there's a kashiga massacre. There is no hard money. It is not liquid. Paperless, digital. The country is running, and I want to promise I'll pick. Now I've embarked. Before I finish my term, I'll have sent a number of our people just to learn, not to do anything, to learn, to see. I'll do it. I don't want to use the government money. I have good friends. I know I'll send a good number of our people to learn, to see how the world is.